The name, you know, everybody looks for the name. They want the biggest, the baddest. They can't control quality. They just can't. I know they can't. I worked for them. I won't say any names, but I work for the biggest and the baddest, and supposedly the best of the best. My guys go out and find misdiagnosed problems every day. You know, they do not know what they're talking about. They throw guys in vans that have no training. They're just revenue generators. My guys are looking to provide a solution. You're gonna get a solution that I know is gonna fix the pipe. Another common mistake they make, they call 4 or 5 different plumbers out to diagnose the same thing, and they're reading 4 or 5 different books. This plumber told them this plumber told them this plumber told them this, and another plumber told them this. We go out there and none of the stories match. This one digs, this one doesn't dig. So whatever's in their wheelhouse, they're gonna offer that solution to provide. You know, it's 20 foot at the street, I'm not gonna dig it, I'm gonna put a liner in it. But they can't do that technology. We offer everything, A to Z. If you call us, you could get a dig solution, you could get a lining solution, you could get just a cleaning solution. So why wouldn't you just call a company that does it all? So that's the common mistakes I believe they make. I got another one. Yeah. Just because their Google ranking is up high, you know, and they advertise trenchless repair, ask them for references. Ask them what jobs they've done. What kind of trenchless materials do you use? Who trained you? Do you have any training certificates? Are you insured to do trenchless? There's several different things. These guys might advertise stuff that they don't do, and you're gonna land up seeing us anyway because they use us. So just eliminate that phone number and call us direct. You'll save a lot of money.